and they don't want to be on camera.
Oh, whoops. Whoopsie.
Back in September 2019, I got to participate in the first edition of the Lightbox Expo. But what is Lightbox Expo? Lightbox Expo is a Comic-Con-like event centered around the artists behind your favorite film and game. There is talk, workshops, panel about all kinds of subjects. I got to attend some talk about concept art, costume design, children's book illustration, and more. It was a packed event, there was a lot of people here, and my favorite thing about it was the Artist Alley. It's basically a giant room with over 200 of the best artists in the industry, and you can just walk around, talk to them about their work, about what they do outside of art, and if you have money, you can support them. I don't know if you remember, you were having a stream with Bobby,
Yes.
and somebody asked you, like, if I can beat you in an MMA fight, would you be my mentor?
Is that you?
That's me.
Yes.
There you go, there you go. That's awesome.
Okay, so the next question is by KJP. Hey John, would you fight me in an MMA match? And if I win, I get to come to your studio and you teach me how to paint.
Yes, sure.
Honestly, that event was packed with things to do, but my favorite thing overall was the vibe. You get to meet so many people from around the world. I was actually surprised how many people from Europe I met there, but we met people from all over, and to me that's the best thing. You get to meet people and hear their story. Why did they come to Lightbox? And yeah, I mean, the event was flawless overall. The only downside was the size of the line to attend some of the panel. But for the first edition, that's the minor inconvenience, and yeah, I would say it was flawless.
And then mostly their schools and class online.
Yeah.
So then I just want to show them the homework I did and ask if there's any like corrections.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Plein airs and other art. That's it. Yeah.
Cool.
A lot to say about it. Like the community that has come together for this. I mean, it just says volumes about like artists in general.
Yeah.
It's a very diverse crowd. And I think everybody here is super nice and like.
Right, I know. I have not like met a single like asshole.
Actually, yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah,
it's like
no jerks were like here. I was just like, oh my god, this is perfect.
And I think that's part of how this ended up going so smoothly for the first time.
Yeah, right.
But also like the team that puts together Schoolism that ended up doing Lightbox, and the rest of the people they brought on board, they partnered with Bobby and Key. Like they really know how to put together a show. Like they really do, and they also like obviously have a wide network of people.
They did, and I was able to like see like artists from like different like either freelance or studios, and like, holy shit, you're here.
Yeah.
I think it was the roster that kind of like made everybody go, oh my god, these specific people are coming here. Like that, especially like for example the Riot guys. I think that one was nuts.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
So, what did you think of the Lightbox?
I loved it.
Okay.
I felt like I came from the East Coast, so I felt like it was worthwhile to come.
Okay.
For next year, I'm definitely coming back.
All right. all right. That's cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna have post-con depression because you know, you're around like so many like nice artistic people that you know are willing to talk to you. It's inspirational. Yeah, very inspirational. You inspired. You like grow as a person and as an artist, and then you go home and it's like
Normal life. Yeah, I get you.
Yes.
Yeah, just
so
don't want to be one over.
I think the best part about this con was that I got to meet so many cool artists from Twitter, from the internet in general. Like, so you got to see their art in the social medias, but you got to meet like your favorite artists right here. And the lineup for this convention was incredible, insane.
Yep.
Like you got to meet artists from Magic the Gathering, Jesper Isid, Donato Yancola, animators, Aaron Blaze. I mean, comic artists like Mike Mignola.
Yeah.
So there's like
It was a good mix-up.
it was and if you are like dedicated to the creative industry, this was the place, and it's going to be even more amazing next year. I'm pretty sure of that.
All right, the Lightbox is over. It was good. I was good. Got to meet a lot of my favorite artists. Met a lot of cool people. Learned a lot. The panel was awesome. I couldn't film them, but you can find most of the panel online. I will link it if the link is out when I edit this video, which is likely because I'm going to take time to edit as usual. But yeah, that was a good trip, and nothing more to say. Go to the Lightbox if you can. As always, I'm the Clueless artist. You are awesome. Bye. And Bobby is in the vlog. And bye-bye.
Before you go, as you can see in the vlog, everybody was waiting for the 2020 edition. And as you know, coronavirus hit and the event got cancelled. But it actually happened, and it was an online event. It was amazing, the vibe was the same, you could meet people from all over, draw with them, attend amazing talk, and it was really cheap as well. Now we are in 2021 and COVID is still happening. And Lightbox is still happening as well. It's going to be this week, it's going to be also an online event like last year, and it's going to be amazing. So yeah, get your ticket and come hang out with us. Also, I was planning to edit a bigger vlog with the artist interview, the attendees interview, but the video would have been 40 minutes long and nobody's going to watch that. So I'm going to upload them separately on the channel and you will be able to watch them, in like